Hey guys, it's Rob Lohan, the world. We're going to show you today how to jumpstart your 2019 Honda Insight. Okay, what you're going to want to do is remove this plastic cap here, and this is going to expose your positive terminal for the car. Now this does look different than a normal battery because your battery is actually located inside underneath your center console. So what you're going to need to do is connect your positive clamp to the positive terminal. Your negative is going to actually go on this post here, which is a ground to the body. And then just start your car. And that's how you jumpstart your 2019 Honda Insight.